evaluating the effect of different cooking methods on the nutritional quality of freshwater fish Nemicillus botia. Fishes are the main source of animal protein for the human diet. Fish is one of the demanding foods in the world. It plays a vital role in a nutritional diet. Quality of fish depends on the available nutritional components, mainly including protein, carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, and fatty acids. Nutritional values of the cooked food may be minimized due to cooking practices. Hence, the present investigation is undertaken with the objective of studying nutritional value before and after cooking, to recommend the best cooking method for the selected fish species. This study was performed to investigate the effect of different cooking methods on the nutrition of Nemicillus botia. Nemicillus botia is an important local commercial fish species, which is appreciated not only because of their small size, highly valuable, but also their boneless flesh with excellent quality and taste. Selected fish species were collected from the river located in Chandwad. Uncooked fresh fish, boiled fish, fried fish, roasted fish and steamed fish are the different cooking treatments considered to fulfill the objective of the study. The nutrient contents are changed due to the application of different cooking treatments, losses of nutrients take place and retention of some nutrients, like protein, also occurs. Different cooking methods are affecting the quantity of total protein. Lipid content is found to be increased in all cooking methods except the boiled method. This study also showed that fat and carbohydrate content was significantly changed by 4 cooking methods. Introduction. Fish is an important and healthy source of animal protein, especially in tropical regions. Among the many types of fish, Nemicillus botia is a small freshwater species commonly found in Indian rivers. It is popular for its soft, boneless meat and good taste. This study focuses on how different cooking methods, boiling, steaming, roasting, and frying, affect the levels of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in this fish. Cooking is essential to make fish safe and tasty, but it can also change its nutritional value. Since there is limited information on how cooking changes the nutrients in Nemicillus botia, this study aims to fill that gap. The findings can help people make healthier choices when preparing fish meals. Protein levels were measured using a standard scientific method to understand these effects better. This research also highlights the importance of fish in our diet and its role in nutrition, health, and even the local economy. Conclusion. From the results, it is concluded that the study provides information about the nutritional properties and quantity of Nemicillus botia. Cooking practices can affect the quantity of protein, fats and carbohydrates. Based on the quantity of protein, carbohydrate and lipid fatty acid, the most efficient mode of cooking is roasting. Nikam and Jadhav, 2023. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.